Welcome the our channel. Today we how to create a retail store with Square step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Square website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Select the option to set up a retail store. Choose your retail store type based on your business model. Fill in your store information, including name and address. Select an appropriate category for your retail business. Set up your payment processing by linking a bank account. Choose your preferred payment methods to accept from customers. Customize your store design by selecting a theme template. Upload your logo and any branding materials. Set up your inventory by adding products manually or via CSV upload. Include product details such as images, descriptions, and prices. Organize products into categories for easier navigation. Configure taxes and shipping options as needed. Set up any loyalty programs or discounts you want to offer. Review your settings to ensure everything is correct. Test your checkout process to identify any issues. Publish your store when you are satisfied with its appearance and functionality. Promote your store through social media and marketing efforts. Monitor sales and customer feedback for continuous improvement. Keep your inventory updated regularly to reflect sales and new products. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.